Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually. It's your world, it's my world, it's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to the channel. I got my charger here and I'm gonna be showing y'all how to remove the front bumper, how to replace the bumper and the fenders if you need it, if you need to do that. Now, I'm not actually replacing my bumper and fenders, but I'm gonna show you how to do that today because I need to take the bumper off. I'm gonna paint the grill and the bumper, and also to get the fenders off, you gotta take the bumper off. So it's gonna be a coronavirus quarantine car project. You see right there, right here, it's a little dent, and I want to remove that. So I'm gonna take this whole fender off and pop the dent out from the inside. Now the first thing you're gonna need is this tool right here. I don't know exactly what it's called, but you need this to remove the tabs that hold the bumper in place. So once you got this, go ahead and pop the hood. Come over here, come close. Once you pop the hood, you gotta take this off right here. And it's pretty easy, pretty simple just to take it off. You just put something in there, like a screwdriver or something. Mine is already kind of a little bit loose, so I can really just do it by hand. So you pop that up. I got this side. Let me see. Some of your tabs might break off, depending on if they how rusty they are or whatever. One of mine's broke off. I ain't really worried about it. So that was the first part. You just pop these off right here. I'm gonna put these off to the side. Next, you gotta remove these tabs. Each tab from the side. Some of them are already removed, popped out. Hold the camera. And this is what you need this tool for right here. I'm gonna pop it out. All the tabs right here. Show it on the camera. Show it on the camera. All the tabs is right here. Make sure you keep up with these because you're gonna need them to put everything back. So once you got those off, you'll see it's loose. You got a little loosage now. Now the next thing you gotta do is you come over to the wheel well, and you'll have tabs over here. Mine's is gone, but you'll have tabs over here. You just pop those tabs out with the tool, and then you're gonna have a little bolt right here. Let me Alright. You got the screw off, about to do the same thing on the other side. So you got that one. So once you got those. Alright, so next we're gonna go ahead and just pop the bumper off at this point. Now once you pull it off from both sides, it's gonna come right off. right here. You pop them tabs out. The side skirt gonna pop off a little bit. You can take this whole side skirt off. I don't want to do that. I'm not trying to do that. So it's a bolt under here. You got to take this bolt off to get the fender off at the bottom. I'll show y'all that last because that's the hardest part to get to. But once you pop those off, you're gonna grab a 11mm socket. You pop this. You got to take these two bolts off right here. And you just put the focus in. It's two bolts right here. Is one right here and one right here. Got that one off. So next we get this one. This one right here. Let me see how I can do this first. This one right here that we gotta get. This one right here. You gotta remove this. Pull this out. It's a tab in there too, so be careful. Don't just rip it out. There's a tab in there. Damn, that bitch went flying. Alright, so you take that out. So, okay. You got one here, here. Remove that. And then the last bolt is here. Right now. So these the last two bolts right here, this one and this one right here. Okay. So I removed the last two bolts that was in there. Now, once you remove those two bolts that's in there, after that, you gotta open the door, and this is the last bolt right here on the inside of the door. So take that one off, and once you take that off, the fender come right off. Got that. Now the fender come right on. Now we're gonna move around and do the same thing to the other side. From inside the door, inside of the fender, in between the door, so you can get the fender off. If you start pulling the fender off from the front, you'll be able to see that. If you pop this open a little bit, I'm gonna show you. You look down in there. You look down in there, and you see it right there. Put my finger on it. You see it right here. So it's right here. So just
get in there. Just like that. That's how you do it right there. And I'm gonna show y'all the process of me putting it back on together too, so you can know how to put it back on where you replace it with the new bumper.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel and my uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel, because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Damn, actually ain't no cap with me. No cap, your majesty, yeah bitch I'm a king. King, bad bitch named Ashley. She bad and she gon' come and shake that ass for me. Twerk, Ashley, yo bitch added me. She all in my DMs sending snaps to me. I know you want her to come home, but